This course has been written and will be presented by Carol Allen and Richard Hurstwood. For many years now, people have told us that there aren't enough courses for teaching assistants and learning support assistants. So, here is a course aimed at teaching assistants. That doesn't mean it's a basic course. What it means is that we will teach you about the senses and how vision, hearing and touch work, and how the whole sensory system deals with this information. We look at why it's important to stimulate the senses. We're also going to talk about managing sensory seeking and avoiding behaviors, and how to offer the right amount of sensory stimulation. Mixing with this fun theory will be lots of practical ideas that Carol has devised after many years of teaching and Richard has taught with his vast experience of sensory work. This course is aimed at anybody who wants to understand more about why we need to teach in a sensory way and how we can manage the sensory systems of our learners. The course takes place on the 11th of November 2021 from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and we hope you can join us. Hurstwood.com